This bird keeps trying to get in to my window. Keeps pecking at my window, which is bothering me. I tried to scare him away a couple of times. He keeps hitting it. He doesn't understand he can't get in here. And he'll go down and then comes back up. And then here he is again. There he is. Yep. Didn't work out again, buddy. He is persistent. Yep, and then back down again. And then here he comes. Right back up. It's hard to see because it's reflection. Oh, there he is. There he is. This is so funny. Oh, didn't make it. Oh, here it comes back for more. There he is. Oh, come on, you gotta get in? Come on. He keeps trying to get in.
Oh my God, and it's a red bird.
Watch, he gets back down. He comes back up. This is like my fifth time getting him. Here he is.
Is that a cardinal?
I don't know. You gonna try and get in?
This is some kind of an omen.
Oh, I'm gonna send this to America's Funniest Home Videos. That's why I wanted to get your camera. This is like classic.
Oh my God, John. That is so weird.
Come on. You can do it. Try to get in. He's gonna try. He's trying to figure out which branch I can get on. I'm not sure if he sees himself or he just wants to get in here. Alright, maybe he stopped. Maybe he's not trying anymore.